Okay, that is the first time I've ever dissected my sewing machine. Hello, I'm Gabrielle. You might be wondering, why am I sitting on a pillow on my floor? Well, today I'm filming a thrift flip video. So I have a bunch of random clothes, which I've been storing in this bin, and I've been wanting to include them in a video. So I'm going to be taking ugly clothes and I'm gonna see if I can transform them into something cute. Stick around to the end for the results, and then I guess right now we're gonna head into the befores. I love the pattern on these pants. I just don't like how they flare out at the bottom. So I'm gonna make these into shorts. I'm also gonna make these sweatpants into shorts. Next I have two polka dotted skirts. The red one I think would be cute, shorter, and then the blue one also would be cute, a little bit shorter. Next up I have these blue and white striped pants. So these I'm gonna finish the waist and hem the bottoms. Next is my physical therapy shirt. I just want to crop this, that way I'll wear it more often. Next I have two crop tops. This first one I have already cut. I just want to hem the bottom. And this one as well. Next I have this tight shirt. It's quite uncomfortable. I'm gonna make this into a tube top. So let's get started. Okay, so my idea with these sweatpants and with the other pair of pants you'll see is just to take a pair of shorts, and then I'm gonna use this as a reference to make these shorts, because I don't think the sweatpants are very cute as pants. And then with the other pants, I didn't like the flare thingy things on the bottom, so I just decided to cut those off and turn them into shorts. And then I'm just gonna draw with this pen. I don't have like a chalk thing that most people who do thrift flips have, but thrift flips are a great way to update your wardrobe into more trendy and modern pieces on a teenager budget, aka broke. As you can tell, I'm definitely a beginner sewer. I'm just messing around with the machine and starting with basic hems. I feel like many people are intimidated by sewing machines, and I say just play around with it and watch a few YouTube videos. I honestly believe YouTube is a better place for learning, inspiration, and growth than school, because you can truly follow your curiosity with this app. Back to what I was saying, thrift flips not only save money, but they also limit the production of new clothes, which happens when buying any first-hand clothes. After a few cuts, pins, and sews, something you never wore could transform into a piece that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Now we're gonna do the same thing with these ones. This versus that. Okay, I just realized that one side is longer than the other. Bruh. So my efforts of having this, I'm just cutting off anyway because I have to make them the same. Okay, they're the same length now. And all I have to do is hem the bottoms, and then moving on to the next thrift flip. Alright, next I'm just gonna hem the bottoms of my 3 crop top shirts that I conveniently have already cut or have bought them cut, so. Okay, so next we have my skirt that is super long, and I like it, but I didn't realize that it was gonna be that long because I'm a short person. And I think this one, okay, so since I have 2 of these, I want to keep one pretty long and cut one shorter, and I think the red one would be cuter as the short one. So we're gonna chop it off, sew it, then chop a little off the next one, sew that one, and then we're pretty much almost done. I don't know why, but I'm the most excited for this one. I really want to wear the outfit that this is gonna go with, so I can't wait to just make this a tube top. You guys don't know how long I've had this box of clothes in my room. Being like, oh, I'll make a video about it, so I don't want to like sew anything now.
And then the whole summer like went by.
And I still haven't gotten to wear any of these things. So I'm super excited to make this crop top. Also, I know it's gonna be super easy because you're basically just cutting a rectangle out of this and sewing the 2 sides. I'm gonna cut out the tube top a little bit bigger than I would want it. That way I can sew over. Yeah. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Okay, so I really just have to get this thing out.
You just drop in and just smack the lip, whoop-ah, drop down, snap, ah.
Okay, that is the first time I've ever dissected my sewing machine. But good news is I didn't have to pay $100 like last time. I'm just experimenting with taking it apart. You know how it is. I'm so glad I could just fix that so easily. I literally tried to unscrew it with my ring and now it's all bent and twisted. And then I found a screwdriver, so we're good. It's officially time to crop the physical therapy shirt. I am so happy that I'll wear this to congratulate myself for getting through physical therapy. And yeah, so let's chop it about there and then just hem it. Alright, it's time for the last thrift flip. The inside's already pinned over the elastic, which is why it's able to hug my waist. And I'm just gonna like sew over that part to keep the elastic in. And then as you can see on the bottoms, I had just cut it and I think I just want to go across and hem it too. And then we're just gonna try on everything. Okay, so I finished sewing around the waist, but now I realize I still have these things left, which people put like here because I have a tie that will go through these. So I just need to sew on these two. What should I say? It is officially time to try everything on. I have made a mess yet again. Every video. You know, I really did think I was gonna cut this skirt a bit longer, like a little bit past my knee, but I was just feeling it shorter, I guess. This red one is a lot cuter now that it is short, I think. I'll wear it a lot more often. Next are these super comfortable sweat shorts. I think these look a lot better on me as shorts. I could see myself wearing these to the gym, to the grocery store, and editing videos. Next up are these, I don't know what to call them, picnic pants. They honestly don't look much different.
So yeah, they hit me with that one. Doesn't even hurt. At this point, I'm numb. There's no feelings, so you can't even hurt me.
I forgot. It comes with this tie thing. But now that it's sewn, I can actually wear them. Woo. I love how you can just tell I'm a lot happier in these flips. I feel a lot more confident. The clothes fit me better. Next are these, both the black shorts and the red crop top. I was so excited to put these together as an outfit. The shorts came out really cute.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
I am going to wear these every single day until fall. It is the tube top. I paired it with the striped skirt that reminds me of back to school. You can also pair this with a light jacket like the one I have here. Next, I just have this crop top hemmed. It pretty much looks the same, but here you go. Here's some clips. Then we have my physical therapy shirt. Now I can show my pride about my physical therapy. Next is this super awesome shirt from my trip for the Youth Ethical Society. And that's it. Now I can wear it. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.